Every great process begins with precision. Every flow, every drop matters more than it seems. Because accurate flow data drives better decisions. When you measure with precision, you operate with confidence. For over 35 years, LORRIC has refined that precision, delivering engineering expertise trusted worldwide. With FUES, built for high precision, non-invasive measurement in critical applications. FULT, designed for OEM integration, smaller pipe sizes, and space-limited installations. FPAS 510 paddle wheel flow meter for stable and cost-effective inline flow monitoring.